Hello everyone and welcome to the English Owl, the channel that simplifies English. In today's video, I want to show you 3 ways to build your English fluency much faster. You'll never have to use a grammar book again. Before we start, please remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any future videos. So let's get started and I hope you'll enjoy this video. I want you to think back to the time you were a baby. You couldn't say any words at all, just a whole bunch of weird sounds. However, you had your whole family around you talking to each other. Of course, at that time you couldn't understand anything. It was only when you got older that you started to understand and speak your native language. How did this happen? I want to share something with you that will change the way you think about learning any language. It doesn't matter if you're a baby, 12 years old or even 50 years old. Step 1 is all about input. Input is one of the most important tools to build language fluency. So, what do I mean by input? The easiest way to explain this is to tell you that anything you can see or hear is input. Your brain builds familiar patterns from this input that makes your understanding of the world around you much easier. And this is how you become fluent much faster, by constantly reading English articles or books, listening to English podcasts, watching English YouTube videos. You get the idea. The key word here is constantly. Even if you spend 10 minutes every day, read or listen to something in English. Step 2 involves building your vocabulary and sentence structures. So, you already read English articles and listen to podcasts, but how can you use these to build your vocabulary and grammar? Very simple, creating your own sentences using the vocabulary and sentence structures from these input sources, and of course watching my videos. So, what I mean here when I say create sentences is basically to write down some of your own sentences. Try to make them weird and funny. This way you'll remember them much easier. Let me give you an example. If you read an article and you see the following sentence: the airport had already been closed when the fire started. Quite an easy sentence, but you notice had already in the sentence. You also notice that this sentence has 2 past structures, one before when and one after when. So you decide to create your own sentence. I had already taken a shower when the cat broke the TV. This sentence is kind of weird when you think about it, but the grammar is correct and you'll easily remember the sentence because of its weirdness. The final step is the most important one, and that is to speak. As soon as you have built up a good amount of vocabulary and sentence structures from the previous 2 steps, then it becomes important to use it in your speaking. Without using these new words and grammar in your speaking, you will never build your English fluency. I've been an italki teacher for almost 2 years now, and I would highly recommend using this platform to constantly practice your speaking. When you have free time or even when you are at work, create a conversation with yourself. In your mind, of course. We wouldn't want people staring at you. If you follow these 3 steps, I promise you that you'll achieve English fluency much faster. Again, don't waste time and money on grammar books because you really don't need them. All my future videos will be based on everything you need, from tenses to prepositions to phrasal verbs and difficult vocabulary. Remember to always keep it simple and consistent, and you'll become a true English master. I really hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching. Please remember to leave a like, subscribe and comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Take care.